Welcome back to Cyberbytes Hub. Today, we're exploring the top 6 smart indoor gadgets that can level up your home with convenience, security, and comfort. Let's dive right in. Our first pick is the Amazon Echo Dot 5th Gen. Brings big, vibrant sound in the same compact size. With improved audio, it delivers clearer vocals and deeper bass, making it perfect for any room. This Echo Dot is ideal for creating the ultimate soundtrack for your home, allowing you to play music, audiobooks, and podcasts from platforms like Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify, or even through Bluetooth. But the Echo Dot isn't just about sound. It's designed to be your smart home companion. Ask Alexa for weather updates, set hands-free timers, and even snooze your alarm with a simple tap. Its built-in motion and temperature sensors allow you to create routines, like turning on lights when you enter a room or starting a fan when it gets warm. Privacy is built in, with multiple layers of control, including a mic off button. Plus, pair it with other Echo devices or Fire TV for enhanced audio, and even extend Wi-Fi with a compatible Eero network. The 5th Gen Echo Dot combines sound, control, and convenience effortlessly. Next up is the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium, a vital component of the Ecobee Smart Security System. This innovative solution includes a smart doorbell camera for monitoring visitors, alongside the Smart Thermostat Premium that optimizes your home's climate. The Premium Smart Camera offers high-resolution video to keep an eye on your property, while smart sensors monitor temperature and movement for enhanced safety. With sensors for doors and windows, you can ensure every entry point is secure. This next-gen smart security setup saves up to 26% annually on heating and cooling costs, while providing alerts about your home's air quality. With Alexa and Siri integration, you can control everything from temperature adjustments to playlist streaming. The Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium not only enhances comfort, but also integrates seamlessly with your home's security, making it an essential part of a smart home. Introducing the Amazon Echo Hub, one smart home control that brings simplicity and efficiency to every room. For lighting lovers, Echo Hub makes it effortless to create just the right ambiance, adjusting brightness and color with a tap or voice command. For package tracking all-stars, stay updated on deliveries with instant notifications, so you're always in the know. Easy risers can jumpstart their mornings with custom alarms and routines, making wake-up smoother than ever. Peace of Mind pros will enjoy full control over cameras, locks, and sensors, all with added security features for reassurance. The Echo Hub brings one-touch control for your entire setup: cameras, locks, speakers, lights, sensors, and routines, ensuring every part of your smart home works together seamlessly, offering both convenience and confidence. Next up is the iRobot Roomba i7 Plus, redefines home cleaning with its clean base for automatic dirt disposal. This innovative vacuum empties its own dustbin, taking the dirty work out of vacuuming. No more dealing with dust and debris. The Roomba i7 Plus automatically empties and holds up to 30 robot bins, meaning you can go weeks without needing to touch the dirt. This powerful feature changes the way you clean forever, allowing you to spend more time enjoying your home instead of cleaning it. With smart mapping and voice control, the iRobot Roomba i7 Plus cleans efficiently and adapts to your lifestyle. It uses 2 multi-surface rubber brushes, and the filter captures 99% of dog and cat allergens. This robot vacuum shouldn't make your home dirtier. That's why the Roomba i7 Plus uses allergen lock bags that trap 99% of pollen, mold, and dust mites, ensuring a healthier living environment. August Wi-Fi Smart Lock 4th Gen is our 5th pick for smart home security. This innovative lock easily attaches to your existing deadbolt, transforming it into a modern security device without altering the appearance of your door. With the August app, you can control access to your home, granting scheduled, temporary, or permanent access to family and friends at the touch of a button. Its auto lock and unlock feature means you'll never worry about leaving your door open again, enhancing your peace of mind. The lock integrates seamlessly with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit, allowing you to manage access with your voice. Plus, with features like door sensing technology, you'll receive notifications when your door is locked or unlocked. For a compact yet powerful upgrade to your home security system, the August Smart Lock is a top choice, combining convenience, control, and style to keep your home safe and accessible. Finally, the Dreo 5L Smart Humidifier is a must-have for your home. It includes a demineralization cartridge, making it tap water friendly for easy use. With a relative humidity setting of 75%, this humidifier ensures optimal comfort. Its dual 360-degree nozzle distributes mist evenly, and precise humidity control keeps your plants thriving. Enjoy a remarkable 50 hours of max runtime, perfect for extended use. The whisper-quiet operation at just 28 dB ensures a peaceful environment, especially in sleep mode. Breathe in a healthier mist thanks to its advanced technology that enhances your indoor air quality. Elevate your comfort with the Dreo Smart Humidifier, designed for a serene and healthy home. And there you have it, 6 smart gadgets that make indoor living safer, more convenient, and way more efficient. Let us know in the comments which one you'd love to add to your smart home. Don't forget to subscribe to CyberBytes Hub for more updates on the latest tech gadgets. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.